Hi guys, if we could see got the two microphones, just to show hands so we know we're going with these microphones. John, thank you.
Pep, you must be desperately disappointed after that.
Congratulations, Monaco, for the qualification for the quarterfinals. In that level, you have to play more than 45 minutes, and just we play 45 minutes, and we create a lot of chances there. But we missed 45 minutes, and we thought we spoke a lot of times and these days. So to try to be our strength is to be aggressive without the ball, and the first half we were a little bit slow in everything, and that's why we concede against good teams in Europe. It was so complicated. But in the second half we were there, we create chances, we miss a lot, and at the end when set pieces action, he broke our tempo, our rhythm, our enthusiasm in the right moment. But that competition is so demanding. It's so demanding. Hopefully we are going to learn, everybody, we're going to learn to next season to come back here and make the same performance we did it in Etihad and in Manchester in the second 45 minutes.
Coach, vous êtes déçu après le résultat de ce soir. D'abord, je tiens à féliciter l'AS Monaco pour la qualification. À ce niveau-là, il faut être performant pendant 90 minutes. Nous avons bien joué en deuxième mi-temps. Ça n'a pas été suffisant aujourd'hui. Nos qualités sont d'être agressifs offensivement avec le ballon. En première mi-temps, nous avons été un peu lents dans les transmissions. En deuxième mi-temps, ça a été beaucoup mieux. Nous sommes créés des occasions, nous sommes revenus au score, mais après, beaucoup de coups de pied arrêtés ont cassé un peu le rythme du match. C'est une compétition exigeante et nous allons travailler et apprendre pour revenir disputer des matchs de ce niveau-là.
Hi Pep, is the key to improving next season improving your defence? Because
no, it's not about defence.
Okay, so
always complain the goalkeeper's defence. No, today was not. Why the second half was a problem with defence? No. Problem is the first half we were not there. So our strength when the opponent has the ball, go aggressive to pick it up, and we didn't. In the right moment we didn't. When we have done all the season. But at that moment we didn't, so that's why we were out. So that is the reason why. So we play 45 minutes. You have to play more than that. But it's not about the defense and the goalkeeper. Because the second half, when we let them think, the second balls, we won the second balls. How many chances they create? Absolutely nothing. The same team. Of course, you cannot expect 90 minutes like the second half, but the gap between the first and second was too big. And always in that situation, what is my feeling now, that it will help us a lot in the future. We will learn on that, hopefully.
Donc est-ce que la solution sera de progresser au niveau de la défense pour la saison prochaine? Non, je ne pense pas. Aujourd'hui, nous n'avons pas été assez présents en première mi-temps, pas assez entreprenants. C'est pour ça que nous sommes éliminés. Nous avons seulement disputé 45 minutes. En deuxième mi-temps, nous avons été présents dans les duels, nous avons gagné les deuxièmes ballons et Monaco ne s'est créé quasiment aucune occasion. Certes, nous ne pouvons pas jouer 90 minutes comme nous l'avons fait en deuxième mi-temps, mais c'est ce que nous devons apprendre à faire et je suis sûr que ce match va être très important pour la suite, pour l'expérience, pour tous les joueurs.
Pep, justement à propos de cette première mi-temps, est-ce que vous avez déjà vu en Ligue des Champions votre équipe autant en difficulté et est-ce que vous avez des regrets tactiquement, notamment sur cette première période?
First half, you have some difficulties. Would you like to change some points tactically if you made some mistakes? Do you think you made?
Yeah, all the managers, when we don't win, we make mistakes, and the other manager wins is the better one. So it's simple to do. So the difference between the first and the second half is the second half we try to play and go to win the game. That's all. What I spoke those days and everybody, and because I did it all my career in that way. I was sometimes in semifinals and I lose to right the semifinal shooting 32 times a goal and I was out. But today was not the point. So you can lose, but the first half we were not there. That is the problem. So we talk about go to with personality to push up, to don't let them think, and they could pass the ball because we forgot to do what normally we do. And of course it's my mistake because I was not able to convince them to do that. Always we were able to do that, even in difficult situations. But today I was not able to convince them to do. I convinced them in the second half, but it was too late.
Donc, je ne pense pas que ce soit un problème tactique. Lorsqu'on gagne, on prend les bonnes décisions. Quand on perd, on prend toujours de mauvaises décisions. En deuxième mi-temps, nous avons joué pour gagner le match. Ma philosophie a toujours été la même, d'attaquer. Des fois, on sort en demi-finale, des fois avant. Aujourd'hui, nous n'avons pas été assez présents en première mi-temps. Je n'ai pas été capable de motiver mes joueurs, de leur demander plus de personnalité, de ne pas laisser espérer Monaco. Et c'est pour ça que nous avons perdu ce match.
Pep, can you explain when you prepare your team like you do, as diligently as you do? Can you explain how your players can then go out and produce a performance in the first half that lacks so much sort of urgency, so much fight, so much quality? Is it just something that it's not about tactics and team selection? They just weren't there for you at all tonight in that first half.
Now the gap between the first and the second is there. So it's, you asked me why in the first half we play, or the gap between the first half and the second half is like this. It's the same question to me. It's the same one. But I try to convince them from after Middlesbrough game and all the meetings we had these 2 or 3 days, said, guys, go there and try to attack and try to go to score goals. We did it in the second half. We did it a lot of games. Even when we lose a game, always we were there. And today we was not able. Maybe because, we have to live more experience than that, more experience to be consequent. Okay, it doesn't matter if we win or lose, but at least to be what we are. That is what I said many times. We have to finish the game being what we are or what we have done from the beginning until today. And we did it in the second half, but in the first half we were not able.
Donc, comment expliquez-vous l'écart de qualité entre la première et la deuxième mi-temps? Est-ce qu'il y a un problème mental? C'est la question que je me pose. Comment on a pu être aussi transparent en première mi-temps et aussi performant en deuxième? J'ai essayé d'en parler à mes joueurs, de leur demander d'attaquer, de marquer des buts. En première mi-temps, nous n'avons pas été capables de le faire. Nous l'avons fait en deuxième, comme nous l'avons fait lors de beaucoup de matchs depuis le début de la saison. Mais ce soir, nous n'avons pas réussi à le faire. Peut-être qu'il nous a manqué un peu d'expérience. L'important, c'est de toujours jouer, de respecter notre ADN, respecter notre style de jeu. Et c'est ce qu'on a fait en deuxième mi-temps, mais pas en première.
Last couple, guys. One here and then one at the back. Thank you.
Pep, you were brought in to make the difference in the Champions League. Why haven't you been able to make that difference?
Sorry, I didn't understand the question.
You've been brought in to make the difference.
Been?
As a coach in City to win.
Yeah.
You were brought in to make the difference.
I came here to win the Champions League.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why haven't you been able to convert that? Why haven't you been able to take this team to the next level in your first season?
I tried. And now we try. But we need more time.
But to do it, you'll need to do something different. Or will you need to do something differently?
No, play like we were in the season, like the second half. And that would have been enough.
Vous avez été recruté pour gagner la Champions League. Est-ce que vous allez continuer à le faire? Oui, bien sûr, je vais essayer pour gagner la Champions League. Est-ce que vous souhaitez changer quelque chose? Non. Si nous avions joué comme la deuxième mi-temps, nous nous serions imposés.
Pep, hi. How far do you think Monaco can go in this competition? You won it. Do you think Monaco has what it takes to win the Champions League from what you've seen tonight?
But all the people expecting all the teams playing there in the Champions League win the Champions League. So the English media want the Manchester City has to win the Champions League. I think the French media, maybe PSG, but there are a lot of people and there are a lot of good teams, and we have to accept that next season try to do better to go next stages.
Donc, pensez-vous que Monaco peut aller loin dans la compétition et jusqu'où? Tout le monde, toutes les équipes veulent gagner la compétition. Les médias anglais veulent que ce soit un club anglais. Les médias français maintenant veulent que ce soit Monaco. Il y a beaucoup d'équipes en lice et ce n'est pas évident. Il faut accepter d'être éliminé et continuer à travailler pour revenir lors des saisons prochaines.